let's go. Oh, it's now or never. Oh, let's go. Let's go.
This was our first year that we used Jumpin' Events for our homecoming, and it was by far the best received by both students and staff and administration here at our high school.
We were very pleased, went far beyond what our expectations were of a DJ. He took time to meet with us and our homecoming committee prior to the event. He really gave them a voice in creating their homecoming, made them feel that they were truly a part of the planning committee and part of making our event successful.
Jumpin' Events did take our homecoming week to another level. They have excellent communication. Their advertising helped us out so much in order to make a great event for our kids.
Jumpin' Events also came to all of our lunch periods with a DJ. They raffled off homecoming tickets, dance events for t-shirts.
They came to our pep rally when we had little technical errors on our part. They were quick to respond and get the things going again.
The administration was super pleased with the improved behavior from the students in the dancing. The students liked that the music was just constantly moving, constantly keeping them active.
Everybody else in the student body and staff, thought that the whole entire event was flawless.
For the past several years, we've used companies that have had to rig up lighting and sound equipment on our beams and trusses, and every year there's a problem. This is the first year that we've had a company with Jumpin' Events that did it the right way the first time.
They really do think of every single detail and ensure that it's a great week, not even just a great day for every single dancer.
Pretty much by the end of the dance, we had made up our mind to have Julian back. On Monday, we decided we will definitely have Julian and Jumpin' Events back.
We had so much fun. It was a great time.